This might be a surprise to a lot of people, but what do you do if you are traveling, especially in a different country, and you need some medical care? So I actually got a little infection in my foot from an animal bite and a scratch, and I need some medical care. We're in Canada. Obviously, we're from the U.S. So what do? I went to a small town of Watson Lake, Yukon, actually, and they have a hospital. It's a 6-bedroom hospital. They do not have any real clinics that we know. However, they did have an urgent care clinic in the basement of the hospital. Obviously, we're not from Canada, so we don't qualify for their free insurance, so we have to pay for it. I went there, there's no wait, and you go in there, the lady's like, well, since you're from the US, do you have $100? And I said, yeah, $100. So I give her $100 US, which actually is more than Canadian. He says, well, I'll get the doctor. And so she calls the doctor, and he's out. It was a slow day, so he's out working out. Comes back from the gym in his gym clothes, comes and sees me, looks at everything. We have a second doctor come in and make sure that the infection is what it was. And we talked a little bit, and he gave me a prescription. I was out of there within an hour. $100, $40 prescription, antibiotics. That's it. Easy. So that's our experience in Canada. I'd recommend, if you have to do medical care in Canada, make sure you tell them you're from out of states. U.S. insurance will not cover it, but if you're on a small town, sometimes cash talks, and it just works. It's kind of a real simple system. So for that, it was fun. In and out of a Yukon hospital in less than an hour, $140. Best deal ever. You can't do that in the States. Want an update on this? Let us know in the comments below. But what are your experiences when traveling outside the U.S.?